So you wanted to generate a free Amazon account. To generate a free Amazon account, the first thing I wanted to do is to open a new tab. You don't want it to do this from let's say from a link that's sent it from an email or a phone number, because usually those are spam or phishing and they wanted to take your information out of it. So what I do to make this process much more secure and easily is to generate a new tab into my browser, and here I wanted to go for an Amazon.com. Inside Amazon.com, here we're going to be having now access directly here into Amazon, but I wanted to focus here from the upper right corner that says sign in. Now if you click directly here into the sign in, it might be asking you for a email that you already currently have, an account that you currently have. In this case we don't have one, so instead of clicking into this button, I'm going to scroll a little bit down where it says start here. When you click into start here, it says create an actual account, so it says enter the mobile number or the actual email. So for this I wanted to enter, for example, this email and hit for continue. Usually if this is the first time that you are inside here, it says looks like you are new into Amazon. If you have attempted to generate an Amazon account in a few days, usually it might be telling you that you have an actual process unfinished, so it might be asking you to enter an passcode or to get started right once again. In this case it might be asking me to proceed to my creation of my account. Then it might be asking you to choose from a mobile number or an email. You can do both or you can just use one. Then you wanted to enter your name, and here I wanted to enter my actual passcode. Then here it says re-enter your passcode. You go for re-enter and go for the option that says verify email. What's going to happen here is that Amazon is going to be sending us a one-time email address. So what I need to do is to click into the link that I will be receiving into my email address, and this will be sending me back directly here into Amazon. Just like that, my account will be generated right away and we don't have to do this process once again. So let's go directly into Amazon.com once again. And into the upper right section, you should see that your account should be generated in no time. So in my case, I will be signing in directly with exactly the same account. So usually here, what you can do is to set up a actual passkey. Amazon usually has the link account of your phone biometrics. You'll never have to remember your Amazon passcode again. This is the number one way to prevent your account from being temporarily locked. For this, you want to focus forward to your account and go here for the option that says account. Inside here you want to focus for logged in and security. So what you can do, for example, is to add a primary mobile number and start by adding an actual passkey. You can add a two-step verification code and you're actually good to go. This links an account to the phone biometrics and you'll never have to remember your Amazon passcode again, and actually this actually works. So if you put an actual passkey, I recommend turning on this two-step verification using an authenticator application, because it's the ultimate backup if you lose your actual phone. So your account is now connected into Amazon and you're good to start purchasing elements here. So if you're planning to use this account to sell products, check out the Shopify into Amazon integration video into our website channel. So thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, guys. If you want to see more great tools like this, thank you so much for watching the video, and hopefully with all of these elements we can all see you well next time.